as my teacher said, sometimes. And what he said is Krishna Sandesh Vristi Me Krishna Sandesh Vristi Swapane Satyam. So he specifically said the Sanskrit verse, that's my teacher's explanation, the verse that he spoke. The Sanskrit verse in Upanishads, part 4, is a different shloka than that. It talks about you might receive mantra or medicine or see the fulfillment of your sankalpa, the goal of your mantra, and they may be true. Really was saying specifically to see Krishna or Guru in a dream. It's true. That you really saw him. I really saw. It's true, yes, I saw Krishna. It's true, I saw Krishna, because he said it's Satyam. Yes, I saw Guru. I know what my Guru looks like, and I saw him. But then the next question is it true what he said? Is it true what he instructed? Or is it true what he was doing? Yes, I saw my Guru Dev in a dream, and he was smoking chilla. Why was he smoking chilla? Because when I was a hippie, I used to smoke chilla. So then you dream. So I saw Gurudev in a dream. That's true. That's Satyam. Guru is true. He represents the absolute truth. But what he was doing is not true. So there's a mixture here. That's why dreams are a projection. Prabhupada himself gave the example. A man is flying in a plane, and he's reading the In-Flight magazine. It's probably flew all around the place. And in the In-Flight magazine, there's a very interesting article about Fort Knox. Fort Knox is some place in America where they store all kinds of gold. It's a federal government reserve of gold, or whatever they call it. It's a big fort, and there's big bricks of gold, and all stacked up to the ceiling. I don't know what they do with all this. It has some kind of gold bullion, or whatever they call it. So he was seeing they have pictures of it in shiny gold, and really amazing gold everywhere. And so he was reading this 4-color picture, shiny In-Flight magazine. And then they were flying from Delhi to Zurich, the airplane. So he looked out the window and there's so many mountains. Many, what's it called, the Swiss Alps. You must be knowing. And then he fell asleep. And when he was sleeping, what do you think he dreamed of? He dreamed of a golden mountain. Because right before he fell asleep, he looked at the magazine, then he felt sleepy. He put it in a little pouch behind the seat in front of him. And he leaned back and put his head against the window. He's looking out and seeing the mountains. And he's dreaming, I'm climbing a mountain. And he's kind of a mountain climber, he's from Germany. He's a trekker. So he's going back from India. He was trekking in India, Himalayas. So he's going back to Switzerland and down to Germany. So he dreams of Golden Mountain. So gold is true, the mountain is true, but he put them all together in his own way. And he's trekking, he's walking up that Golden Mountain because that's something he did. The dreams are a combination of many factors. What we perceive in our daily life, what we're carrying from our last life. Sometimes we have very amazing mystical dreams, seemingly mystical. And dreams also depend on the prakriti, the Vedic prakriti of the body. There's kapha, there's fatty people, kapha, and there's vata people, very skinny, and then there's pitta, fiery people, hairy bodies, very big eyes, very fiery. Then there's everyone has a balance of vata, pitta, and kapha, air, fire, and water. So more one, you exhibit more fat. More the other one, more skinny. Or some balance. Not too fat, not too skinny. It's very hard to find the middle road guy or lady. That's called the average person. Some people are very fat or something like this. So the people that are predominated by kapha, means fatty type people, they always have dreams involving earth and water. Because kapha, K-A-P-H, kapha is a combination of earth and water. So So they're dreaming of going on boats, they're dreaming of walking on the land, walking in the field. Now if someone is predominated by pitta, fire, they always have dreams of fire. I was riding my car, it rolled over and caught on fire, I was inside. I was in an apartment, it was on fire, I was running down the stairs, the fire was behind me. I was walking in a forest and the forest fire. I always have some dreams of fire. If someone is vata, prakriti, then they'll have dreams of flying dreams. You type in on Google, flying dreams. So flying dreams, this is a symptom of vat personas, and you're like that also. They're kind of more balanced, you're kind of not totally balanced. So I have so many flying dreams.